deserts to the seas, whispers of the divine. In every prayer, your light forever shines. Mountains echo Subhanallah, rivers sing His praise. One ummah united through life's winding maze. Ya Rabbi Allah, salli ala nabina, wahdatan kal hudud fi qalbi wa fina. Ummatun wahida min sharqin wa gharbi, nuruka yaghshana ya khayra libad. Oh Lord, Allah, send peace upon our prophet. One ummah from east to west, your light envelops us. In every tongue, your words resound so clear. In Jakarta, Cairo, London, and Lahore, different faces, one faith we hold dear. Mercy to the world, a message to restore. Ya la, ya la, 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 Muhammadun Rasulullah. La, la, la. Oh Lord, Allah, send peace upon our prophet. All ummah from east to west, your light envelops us. In every tongue, your words resound so clear. In Jakarta, Cairo, London, and Lahore, different faces, one faith we hold dear. Mercy to the world, a message to restore. La ilaha illallah, Muhammadun Rasul.